Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what we got for you today? Well, we've got another pen haul from my recent pen hunt, if you like. And as always with all these pen hauls, we have to buy the good, the bad and the not so good. So we've got we've got a couple of interesting pens. A lot of them are just mundane, everyday pens. Some of them will be restored, ready for sale. Some of them will be sold as is. Some of them will be available for parts if anybody's interested. But yeah, let's just show you what we found. In no particular order. Okay, we've got a Parker box here. There we go, a nice Parker 45 fountain pen and pencil set. That'll make a nice little set for somebody. Yeah, a little Schaefer, lady Schaefer in this lovely pattern. Unfortunately, like a lot of these pens, the sort of section to the top has got a crack or is broken. There we go. Right, what we've got here is a nice Schaefer ballpoint and Schaefer pencil, and it's got this lovely clip that we see on the Schaefer. I think it's the reminder clip. Let's just show you, we simply press the clip like so, and it's what we term as a reminder clip. So hopefully somebody will enjoy them if somebody's looking for a ballpoint and pencil. This is like an interesting thing that I found. Again, mostly I'm after fountain pens when I'm looking, but occasionally I'll see something that I find interesting, so I'll buy it. It's a 4 square Eversharp pencil in this lovely sort of interesting colour. It's got sort of black, it's squared obviously, chrome trim, and to one side, look at that, it's got this sort of transparent barrel to it. You can see the workings inside. So once again, I'm not actually, well, you can see the box there is a little bit tatty. It comes with the instructions, by the way. I'm not a fan, I'm a fountain pen person, so if anybody's looking for pencils, again, you can contact me and we'll do something for you. Again, looks like a Parker box. If we open it up, what's that? It's a Parker 61, yeah, with a chrome trim there. These are popular. Again, somebody may be looking for a Parker 61. What I'm going to do, pop that down, and again, this one, I'm just going to show you that. It says what it says on the tin there. I'm not going to show you this one because I've decided to give this away as a giveaway, a freebie giveaway. So keep watching. I'll do a video. We'll do this. We'll review this pen. It's nothing sort of top of the range, so don't be too excited. But again, I'll do a review on this pen and we'll give it away as a freebie. And here we have a box that a lot of people will recognise. Now this one came part of the haul. I've actually already restored it, and this Parker 51 in this lovely grey colour. It's got a pencil with it. It's got the frosted cap to it. Let's take the cap off. There you go. In beautiful condition. It's already been restored, and this one is ready to go and is ready to find a new home. So if anybody's looking for an absolutely gorgeous Parker 51 fountain pen and pencil in this lovely grey colour, please contact me, send me an email. Looking for a home. So there you have it. No, of course not. They were the one with the boxes. So what we've also got is another bunch of pens. Let's bring them on. There we go. And again, in no particular order, This is an interesting one. I forget what it's actually called. Let me just take a look at the nib. A John Hancock Boston fountain pen. Unfortunately, there's no cap for the pen, but if I unscrew it here, I believe this is actually a cartridge fountain pen from, I don't know, sort of round about the 1930s. As I say, it's got a lovely John Hancock Boston nib. It's in lovely condition, apart from, as I say, there's no cap. So if anyone's got a spare cap or anybody's looking for the pen, once again, contact me. There we go, just a simple sort of Platinum pen. Oh, this one's got a calligraph nib to it. Again, something like that will be sold as is. We've got a Swan pen, little bit of brassing. Yes, it's got a nib to it, so we've got a nice Swan cell filler fountain pen there. We've got this pen, which is a silver metal. No idea what it is. There you go. It's got a feed, there's no nib. Unfortunately, there's a crack to the cap, so that'll be sold as is. What's this one? There we go. It's a lovely Summit fountain pen. That'll come up nicely. We'll restore that and somebody will enjoy it. A nice little Conway Stewart dinky in green marble. Does it have a nib? No nib to it. So yeah, if someone's looking for a pen with no nib, contact me. Again, we've got a Parker. It's got the double dual. Which one is it? Parker Dufold. So it's an early Parker Dufold. It's got a nib to it. So we'll restore that one. And again, we'll try and find a new home for it. Selsdon Fountain Pen Company, London, made in England. So a Selsdon fountain pen, never heard of it, but again, interesting. Not too sure what we're going to do with that. So there we go. Now this one's an interesting pen somewhere. There we go. We've also got the pencil to it. It's a Conway Stewart. I think it's a 476. I'm not too sure, don't quote me. What I'll do, I'll leave this one because we'll restore it and we'll do a review. The reason we'll do a review is because of this colour. Personally, I've never seen this colour before. It's like well, I describe it as an oxblood colour, in this oxblood red with black veins. I've never seen it before, so who knows, this one may be a little bit of a rarity. If somebody knows a little bit more about it, please get in touch, but we'll get that restored. Another little pen. There we go. We've got a nib. There's no clip. I'm not even too sure what it is. Yep, a Waterman, you can see with a clip there. They do tend to wear the gold plate, sort of wears off. There's a nib with it. Yeah, anybody looking for parts, etc. Another Parker 45, gold nib. Another Parker. This looks like a Dufold. It looks like a Demi actually. It's quite a stubby, small pen. I may actually have a clip for it. We'll take a look, but yeah, if we can get this one up and running, that'll be a nice pen for somebody. You can see the jewels missing there. This is a Parker 61. Inlaid nibs missing, so something like that. If anybody's looking for a pen maybe to practice on, restoration, looking for parts, again, contact me. This one, there we go, a lovely lizard skin Swan fountain pen. No nib to it. Unfortunately, as you can see, the clip is broken. Apart from that, there's nothing wrong with it. It just needs a good sort of clean up, I would have thought, but in this gorgeous lizard skin, which is, well, very sought after, but unfortunate. If anyone's looking for one, anyone's got a spare clip, I don't have any clips for these pens. There's another nice little Swan. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's got a stainless steel nib, so I don't believe that's the correct one, but yeah, we may be able to do something with that. What is this? I think that's a Conway Stewart with a steel nib. It's got this, well, let's have a look. Yeah, it's got this sort of filling system like that, like a plunger filler. Is it Conway Stewart? Yeah, it looks like it. So again, we don't know what we're going to do with that. Oh, a nice Conway Stewart here. Can't see the number, just bear with me. Have a look with my loop. Yeah, Conway Stewart 27. Again, no clip. It's got the nib to it. We may be able to do something with that. That'll come up absolutely gorgeous. A Schaefer, little touchdown. Maybe needs a new O-ring in there. In this lovely grey colour. And this one, yeah, I think this is a platinum. Nice thing about some of these platinums, they actually have a gold nib. They're actually good little sort of everyday user pens. So if anyone's looking for a sort of a less expensive pen, there we have it. Let's move that away. And last but not least, a lovely Parker 51 in this brown colour. Is it? Oh, it's a Vacuumatic. I didn't know that. So we've got a nice little brown Parker Vacuumatic. Let's show you the clip there. It's got no jewel. We'll see if we can find a jewel for that, but we'll restore that, and once again somebody will enjoy it. So there we have it. That's my haul for today, or recently. If you're interested in any of the pens, give me send me a message, get in touch. But that's it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at them as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. And don't forget, people, subscribe if you've not subscribed. And last but not least, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.